Want to know the secret to aging with grace, energy, and a sharp mind? What if I told you it wasn't some magic pill, but a delicious way of eating that people have enjoyed for centuries? Today, we're diving into the Mediterranean diet, a powerhouse of nutrition that could be your golden ticket to a healthier, happier life in your senior years. So, what exactly is the Mediterranean diet? Forget strict rules and calorie counting. This isn't a diet in the restrictive sense, it's a lifestyle. Imagine yourself on a sunny coast, enjoying fresh, flavorful food. That's the vibe. At its heart are plant-based foods. Think colorful fruits and vegetables at every meal, hearty whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice, and legumes like lentils and chickpeas. The star of the show is healthy fat, specifically extra virgin olive oil. It's used for everything, from cooking to dressing salads. Protein comes mainly from fish and poultry, especially fatty fish like salmon and sardines, which are packed with omega-3 south. Nuts and seeds are your go-to snacks, what's limited, red meat, sugary sweets. And processed foods, dairy, like yogurt and cheese, is enjoyed in moderation. It's all about balance and enjoying real, whole foods. Now, let's talk about why this is so fantastic, especially for seniors. We've got 5 amazing benefits to cover. First up, heart health. As we get older, keeping our heart strong is a top priority. The Mediterranean diet is a champion for your cardiovascular system. The abundance of healthy fats from olive oil and fish helps lower bad cholesterol, or LDL, while the high fiber from fruits, veggies, and whole grains helps manage blood pressure. All those antioxidants work to reduce inflammation, which is a major contributor to heart disease. It's like giving your heart a full-time support team. Benefit number 2 is brain power. We all want to stay sharp and engaged as we age. Well, the same nutrients that protect your heart also protect your brain. Those omega-3 fatty acids in fish are literal brain food, helping to build and repair brain cells. The antioxidants fight off oxidative stress, which can damage brain cells over time. Studies have shown a strong link between following a Mediterranean-style diet and a reduced risk of cognitive decline, memory loss, and even conditions like Alzheimer's disease. It's about feeding your brain the good stuff to keep it running smoothly. Third, let's talk about stronger bones. Osteoporosis is a real concern for many seniors, making falls more dangerous. The Mediterranean diet helps build bone density, while it's not super high in dairy. You get calcium from sources like leafy greens, sardines with their bones, and fortified foods. More importantly, it's rich in vitamin D from fatty fish and sun exposure, and vitamin K from green vegetables. Both are crucial for helping your body absorb and use calcium effectively to keep your bones strong and resilient. Benefit number 4 is weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight becomes trickier as our metabolism slows down. The Mediterranean diet makes it easier naturally. Because it's high in fiber and protein, it keeps you feeling full and satisfied, so you're less likely to overeat or reach for unhealthy snacks. It focuses on nutrient-dense foods, not empty calories. This means you're fueling your body efficiently without the excess that leads to weight gain. It is a sustainable way to stay at a weight that feels good and reduces stress on your joints. And finally, our 5th benefit, increased longevity and vitality. When you combine better heart health, a sharper brain, stronger bones, and a healthy weight, what do you get? A recipe for a longer, more vibrant life. People in the Mediterranean region who eat this way are known for their longevity. But it's not just about adding years to your life, it's about adding life to your years. This way of eating provides sustained energy, reduces fatigue, and boosts your overall sense of well-being. You'll just feel better, more energetic, and ready to enjoy your days to the fullest. Okay, you might be thinking, this sounds great. But what does it actually look like on my plate? Let's walk through a simple, delicious day on the Mediterranean diet. For breakfast, how about a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with fresh berries and a sprinkle of walnuts? It's packed with protein and antioxidants to start your day right. For lunch, imagine a large, colourful salad with mixed greens, cucumbers, tomatoes, and chickpeas, topped with a piece of grilled chicken or salmon, and dressed with a simple vinaigrette of olive oil and lemon juice. Simple, fresh, and so satisfying. In the afternoon, if you need a little snack, grab a handful of almonds or an apple. For dinner, you could have a baked fillet of cod seasoned with herbs, lemon, and garlic, served with a side of roasted vegetables like broccoli and bell peppers, and maybe a small portion of quinoa. See, it's not about deprivation, it's about abundance and flavor. Getting started doesn't have to be overwhelming. You don't need to change everything overnight. Here are a few practical tips to make it easy. First, start small this week. Try having a meatless Monday, focusing on a bean or lentil-based dish, or make a simple swap. Use olive oil instead of butter for cooking. Second, you don't need fancy, imported ingredients. Use what's fresh and local. Visit a farmer's market for seasonal fruits and vegetables. Local produce is often more affordable and tastier. Third, flavor your food with herbs and spices instead of salt. Basil, oregano, rosemary, garlic, and lemon juice can transform a simple dish without raising your blood pressure. And finally, think of fish as your friend. Aim to have fish twice a week. Canned salmon or sardines are an excellent, budget-friendly option. The journey to better health is a marathon, not a sprint, and the Mediterranean diet is a wonderful, sustainable path. It's about nourishing your body, protecting your mind, and savoring delicious food along the way. You have the power to make positive changes that will lead to a more vibrant and energetic life. So, here's your call to action. Take one small step today. Maybe it's adding more vegetables to your dinner tonight, or picking up some olive oil on your next grocery run, of course. It is always a great idea to talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any big changes to your diet. Once you get the green light, start your journey to a healthier, happier you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more senior wellness tips. We'll see you in the next one.